Learning is creativity. Creativity provides thinking. Thinking leads us to knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. The famous thought of APJ Abdul Kalam. We, the students of Group 6 of Class 10C of St. Chandal English Medium School, are hereby presenting an English Art Integrated Project on the topic Delicious Food of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh.
Kerala food consists of a wide variety of vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian food. Kerala food consists of fish, meat, poultry and rice preparation. Kerala food is loaded with many spices as well. Coconut is grown in abundance in Kerala. Hence they use coconut oil and coconut milk in thickening the flavors. Chilies, curry leaves, turmeric powder, mustard seeds and asafoetida all are frequently used. Himachali cuisine gives you more than one reason to fall in love with it. Most of their dishes are slow cooked, imparting a unique flavor and aroma, and a lot of their preparation are also fermented. Their cuisine is predominantly homely yet rich and intense.
If you have never tried having an authentic Kerala Sadhya, don't forget to have the next time when you visit the state. The preparation of Sadhya is simple, so it is the mostly served meal in wedding and other functions. Achar, pulinji, papadam, payasam, kaya vartadu, more and parippu are other dishes served with kootan. Kootan differs in preparation and taste. The most popular festival of Kerala, Onam, is incomplete without the traditional meal. The side dishes are called kootan and the rice is called chor. As cute as its name sounds, puttu is a cylindrical steam-made coconut cake cooked with coconut shavings. This is an extremely popular breakfast and a staple food of Kerala. This food item is served with kadala curry, which is black chickpeas, but it can be eaten in whichever way it tastes good. After all, any occasion is incomplete without the favorite payasam. A traditional dessert prepared during Onam or any other festive season is a simple rice pudding or neer, which is made in almost all households across Kerala. The most authentic version of this Kerala food is made from ada, sugar milk or ghee, which is easily available in any grocery shop across Kerala. Cassava or tapioca is referred to as kappa in Malayalam. Kappa is boiled to form a smooth texture and then it is eaten with a fish curry. Malayalis call it as meen curry. The spicy red meen curry with tamarind and coconut along with the kappa is a staple combination in Kerala's cuisine.
Dum is a food which is mainly found in Champa and Manali. Dum is a complete food that along with a great taste provides a healthy amount of nutrients. Dum includes rice, rajma, curd and is well complemented with jaggery or curd. The distinctive feature of dum is that it is mainly prepared by special chefs known as fotis. Dum is a complete plate of delicious delicacies which is a must of serve during festivals and occasions. To grab the great taste of dum, one must visit Himachal Pradesh during festival season. Aktori. Aktori is a dish which is mainly found in Lahul and Spiti. Aktori is a festival dish which is very much enjoyed by the people of Himachal Pradesh during their festival time. Aktori is prepared in the form of cake or pancake made with buckwheat leaves which is further cooked in the wheat flour. Even though the dish originates in Spiti Valley, but it is frequently prepared and eaten all over Himachal Pradesh. Tukia Bath. Tukia Bath is a dish which is mainly found in Samba. Tukia Bath is the authentic pulao of Himachal Pradesh that Pahadi people cook in their own style. The dish is not only cooked with Indian spices but an extra add up to the potatoes and yogurt along with onion, tomatoes, garlic, cinnamon, cardamom provides the dish such a great taste that will make you want it again and again. For the best taste, Tukia Bath is complemented with mashdan and a few drops of lime juice.
Sidhu is is a local side dish of Himachal Pradesh which greatly complements the main course of mutton or some other for the taste. It is renders every minute of preparation is worth of it. The wheat flour is kept 4 or 5 hours for the yeast to settle down. Later, the dough is filled with fat and put on the direct flame to get half-cooked dough. This partially cooked dough is then steamed to keep the taste and the nutrient of the ingredient to enact. Siddu can be easily be found in the local restaurant of Himachal Pradesh to give the tourist a flavor of Himachali cuisine. Madda is originally a delicacy that belongs to the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. This dish mainly consisting of the soaked chana or the vegetables. These chana are cooked well in the oil and various spices such as clove, cardamom, cumin, coriander powder and turmeric powder enhances the taste of the dish. Madda is one of the dishes that represents the food culture of Himachal Pradesh. Every restaurant, every occasion and the festival will have madra offered to you with the utmost love.